welcome back to Cooking with Meg. Today we're going to make some bagel pizzas. So you're going to need bagels and a cookie sheet. Mine are just Blender's bagels. Pizza sauce. And then whatever kind of, mozzarella cheese. And then whatever kind of toppings you want. So we're going to make a couple different kinds. We're going to make a red pepper and pepperoni. And ham and pineapple, and then we're going to do one that has just meat, so it'll be ham and bacon and pepperoni for people who like meat lovers kind of pizza. So hopefully if you've watched any of the other videos, you know that the first step is washing your hands, which I always do before I start this. So if you're going to make food at home, kids, you need to make sure that you wash your hands, and then you want to gather all your stuff so you're not trying to get into the cupboards with stuff on your hands from cutting one thing. So the first thing I'm going to do is I preheated my oven to 350, so it's ready to go. I'm going to put my bagels out in front, and first I'm going to put on my sauce, and I'm going to do that with a spoon. So I'm just going to put a spoonful on each bagel. And then you're going to use your spoon to spread it around. You can put as little or as much sauce as you want on there. I'm not a huge fan of sauce, so I don't put a ton on, but some people really like the sauce. I'm just using Ragu pizza sauce. And then you're going to use the back of your spoon where it's round and just kind of swirl it around all over the bagel. You need to have enough sauce that your cheese will stick. When you're done with that, you're going to put your cheese on, and you're going to want to use mozzarella cheese. And you're going to sprinkle it on top. Again, as little or as much as you would like. In our house, we like cheese a lot, so we tend to have more cheese than anything else. My daughter's helping me videotape these, so you can probably hear her in the background.
Sorry.
So, once that's done, then you can work on your toppings, which is kind of the fun part. So we're going to cut up our red pepper. I'm going to put this to the side. We're going to cut up our red pepper. And when we use a knife, first of all, we always have to have a grown-up. Always have a grown-up with you to make sure that you are safe. Your pointer finger goes on the back flat part of the knife, and you're going to saw back and forth. And you want pretty small pieces because the bagels aren't super big, so you don't want to take up all your space with just your toppings. So then I'm going to take those, and I'm going to put them on this one, these two. They got a little squished in my fridge, so they're a little abnormally shaped right now. And then you could just use your pepperonis, just like this. I think you can also get little mini ones, but I'm going to cut them because I like to cut things. So I'm going to take my knife, and I'm just going to cut it in half, and then in another half. So I'm going to make 4s out of them. And I'll put those on top. And then for my next kind, I wanted to do pineapple and ham. So I'm just going to scoop my cutting board up. And I'm going to put my pineapple on first. I had pineapple chunks that I had cut up. And I'm going to put those on there. I think this is a Hawaiian pizza when you have pineapple and ham. Then I'll put that back over there, and I'm going to cut my ham. You can buy it already pre-cut, but again, I really like cutting. It's really good for fine motor. So we're going to cut into pieces. Or I've had kids who like to just lay it full on top and it covers their whole bagel. But I'm going to cut mine up. And then I'm going to sprinkle it on top. Stick it in my fingers. And then for our meat pizza, I'm going to cut up some more ham real quick. And some pepperoni. And then I had crumbled up cooked bacon that I'm going to use today. Already done. I'm going to take them, put those on there. And I'm going to take some of the ham. And then I'm going to put some bacon on them. Then you're going to want to put these in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes at 350. You're going to bake it until your cheese is melted and your bagel's crunchy, but not burnt. Thanks for coming to Cooking with Meg. Bye.